Hey guys, Jeyaic sent me this tire changing tool that I'm excited to try out. I do like changing my own motorcycle tires at home. It saves me a couple of bucks, and then I just run it down to the dealer and have them balance it. So it's about half the price, and it really is fast and easy to do. A lot better for me. I prefer to do it myself rather than pay somebody to do it if it's something easy enough and it's worth it. And with one of these guys, it's going to make it nice and easy, so that way you can change your own tires and you don't have to pay those expensive prices. So let's give this guy a try. I'm going to try it on my motorcycle, and I also want to try it on one of these car tires. So let's go ahead and check it out, see how well this guy works.
Tire pressure sensor.
So we're putting it right by the tire pressure sensor to protect the tire pressure sensor. It's a nice tight fit on these wheels.
Just want to be able to get around the sensor too though.
Is that going to work?
Maybe if I put one before, might be the way to go. That might be the way to go.
All right, let's see how good this tool's going to help us keep that bead on.
Here.
This is just an example. Look at how it's holding the bead and keeping it from going anywhere. Beautiful. That's what we want. It works. Hey, so you can see this guy works very well. It does exactly what it was designed to do. It holds the lip of the tire onto the rim while you're getting it seated. This is going to work really good in manual applications where you don't have a tire machine and you're using tire spoons. It's really hard to keep that bead of the tire onto the rim, and this is just going to lock it right where you want it to be locked, and it's going to allow you to bring the rest of that tire lip over the rim as needed. So this guy works really good. Click on the link below, pick one up, secure yours. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoy it.